there, Antoinette here, welcome. So today's video is the first of a series in April of this year, 2021, where I will be vlogging. I will be doing some decor vlogging for you and possibly some small DIYs. And I am collaborating in this vlogging for April, which we're calling Veda. Vlogging every day in April, but it's actually going to be every Saturday in April. So I hope you will join all of us. Make sure to watch at least until the middle of this video to see who these amazing YouTubers are that I'm collaborating with. So in this vlog, I'm going to sort of redecorate the top of this cabinet. This is how I decorated it for spring/Easter. And I do like to change things up often in my decor, so I'm going to change this up to make it look brighter, perhaps you can say, and more Mackenzie-Childs inspired, which a lot of you know I love. So I'm going to be doing that, and I'm going to be using this little guy. This was in my Easter home tour video, which you may have seen, and this was a last minute purchase before I started filming my Easter home tour. I could not this year find my wreath for spring that I normally use, and I sort of was in a bit of a panic, and I drove to some stores and I found this sort of at the last minute. It's cute, however it's small. Not really totally my liking. It's yellow, which I love, but I'm going to jazz this up a little bit and make it look a little more Mackenzie-Childs and put that sort of at the center of this table. And this table today is going to be sort of decorated a bit plainly, and that's because in a future video that I'm hoping is going to take place in April, I'm going to be making two items that I'm going to add to this cabinet top and table cabinet, I'm not sure what to call it, but I will be adding those two DIYs that I'm making at a later date, and I hope you will join me for that video as well. So let me show you the pieces I'm going to take from other areas in this room and add to this table. I will be using these yellow candle holders, this one here, and this one way over here. As well, I will be taking these candles, taking off what's on them currently, and putting something else over them, which you may have seen in some of my prior videos. And I'll show you how they turn out. Now here, I'm going to show you how I slowly take pieces away and start to clear off this cabinet and get it ready for our new look, which I'm really excited about. So hang on tight. Here it comes. So here you see I have placed this runner right on top of the cabinet. It is black and white Harlequin pattern, which I love, which to me is very Mackenzie-Childs inspired. And it does go nicely with the diamond pattern that's right on this picture above. Here I've placed the yellow candle holders that I showed you before that are from the fireplace mantle. So here are the white candles that I was showing you before, also from the mantle. I had them wrapped with some green and yellow, which looked really pretty on the mantle. But for this particular table, we're going to do something different. So I've added these matching black and white harlequin patterned sleeves that I put right over the candles. And don't they just look great on that runner? So here's my bunny. I'm taking my wire cutters and I'm cutting off the bows that are attached to this bunny. There's actually two. So I'm taking those off, and I bought this really fantastic scarf at Dollar Tree that I trimmed off the edges, and I'm going to make a little bow tie out of it. So I'm taking a piece of wire that's actually from the bunny. I'm wrapping it around the middle of our scarf, and then I'm taking some of this yellow ribbon. I'm going to tie it around just to finish it off nicely and tie it in with the rest of the bunny. Before I get to the reveal, I'm happy to share with you that I'm vlogging every Saturday in April this year, 2021, with the following amazing YouTubers. We make up the new Home Décor Luxe Club. They are our leader, Lady Phoenix of Really Good Living, A Blessed Home with Kimberly Davis, Cheryl of IstyleMystyle, Creations by Simone, Candy of DIY by CCW, and Glam Designs by Anne. I hope you'll visit the playlist, which I've linked in my description box, which will have everyone's video included. Now, let's get to my reveal. So here's our bunny with his beautiful black and white checkered bow tie. Doesn't he look better? And he's on this little stand, which I had made a while back. You've seen me use it before. And he blends in beautifully with the candle holders and candles, and that picture in the background, and that black and white harlequin runner. And this is how I've changed up this cabinet for spring. But remember, I will be coming back with another video in the not too distant future, I hope, where I will be making 2 DIYs and adding it to this table. So I hope you enjoyed that. That's my first vlog. I hope that it was a good enough vlog. I don't know too much about vlogs, and this is my first one, but I do hope that you will join me for the next 3 Saturdays, where I'll be doing more decorating around my house for spring, and possibly the very last one in April, I'll transition from spring to summer. Thanks so much.